So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want Google to discover your website's page automatically, here's how to find and create your sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console. So firstly, log into Google Search Console and select your website. From the left menu, go to Indexing, then Sitemaps. Most websites already have a sitemap automatically generated by CMS or SEO plugin. Try opening sitemap.xml, and for some website, it may be sitemap index.xml. Now, if the URL opens successfully, your sitemap is ready to submit. Return to your sitemap path and add a new sitemap, then click Submit. Google will process the sitemap and show its status. Once Google processes your sitemap, you can see wherever and whether it was successfully read and how many URLs were discovered. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.